Listen to this song.
Word up! This one's for Stella. Yo, check the mic, 1, 2 for the whole entire crew. This dedication's true for my ace. Yeah, you know who got the intellection of a queen, the realest I have seen. Stella, you're a star, shining bright no matter where you are. Got that fire in your soul, always taking full control. A positive influence, moving mountains with your fluence in the cipher or the streets. Your knowledge can't be beat. Stella, you're a star, shining bright no matter where you are. Keep on reaching for the sky, cause your energy is high. Peace. Yeah.
Here is the crazy part. This song was created in less than 1 minute. Welcome. Imagine this for a second. You open an AI tool, type a few lines, press enter, and within seconds you have a complete song. Lyrics written, music composed, voice generated. And the best part? You can create songs in almost any language you want. Yes, not only English, you can create songs in Japanese, Korean, or even local languages like Hindi, Tamil, or Telugu. Today I'm going to show you something really interesting. Until now, most of us have been using Google Gemini to generate images and even videos. But recently, Gemini introduced something new that many people have not noticed yet. Now you can actually create songs using Gemini. And not just random songs. You can create personalized songs dedicated to any person you want. Imagine creating a romantic song for someone using their name, or a birthday song for a friend, or even a funny song for your YouTube channel. Sounds crazy, right? Before I show you the tutorial, let me play a small sample song that I created using Gemini. Listen once.
The world was grey before you came along, a quiet hum, a silent song. Then you walked in, a gentle light, and made everything feel so right. Oh Hilda, you're the one I see in every dream, eternally. My heart beats only for your name. You set my world aflame.
Pretty awesome, right? Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI-powered creativity fueled. And the surprising part is this, that the entire song was created using AI, and no, I did not use Suno. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create songs like this using Google Gemini. Before we start, a small request. I am seeing a lot of views on these videos, which is amazing, but let us also push the like button so the video reaches more viewers. Do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss out on upcoming AI tutorials. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to create for a song is lyrics. For generating lyrics, we are going to use Gemini. We can always use ChatGPT to generate lyrics and later generate audio in Gemini, but today we will use only Gemini. Let's search for Gemini and open website. Log in using your Gmail account. Once you enter the website, you will see the chat box where we normally type prompts. Here we need to give prompt to get lyrics. Before that, we must select Create Music. We can do that in two ways. First, by just clicking Create Music tab below chat box, or by clicking Tools tab to select Create Music. Now let's give our prompt, which I have already prepared. I will provide this prompt in description. Do check out. Let's copy, paste the prompt in here. The prompt is very simple and generic. Here I want to create a romantic song in English using Google Gemini. And I want this song to be dedicated to my girl Hilda, because we just had a fight and she says it's my fault as always. You know what I mean. So I am using Hilda inside the lyrics. You can always change name, language, mood, or genre of your choice. We also asked the song to include verse, chorus, which must be finished in 30 seconds as Gemini has 30 seconds limit. Let's generate our song. And within a few seconds, Gemini gives us our song along with lyrics.
Oh Hilda, Hilda, you're my guiding star. No matter where we are, my heart beats just for you. My love forever true.
You can always tweak the prompt to get required output. We can change the language from English to anything we want, or name from Hilda to Stella from here itself. That's surprising to see how few lines of text turned into a song.
Comme une étoile dans le ciel, ton amour est éternel.
If we need next 30 seconds of song, let's copy our second prompt and paste in same chat box and click generate.
Dans la lumière, tu es Stella. Mon cœur ne voit qu'Hilda.
That's awesome. It's a match. If second song isn't same or as you want, just repeat the prompt with some tweaks. It works. As you can see, it worked for me. We can also explore based on genre by clicking play symbol. There are many styles to explore: folk, Latin, workout music, rap, and many more. We can even remix these by prompting. Let's say we want to remix 90s rap. Let's select it and use Hilda in lyric in chat box and enter.
Yeah, check the technique, word up. I was in the trenches, had to get it out the mud. Use my clever intellect, my whole entire neighborhood understood. I flipped a tough situation with a masterful plan. Even Hilda saw the hustle, knew I was the man.
That's bombastic, right? We can download the song by clicking here. We will get two choices to choose from. The first option downloads the song as a video with cover art, and the second option downloads only the audio file. We can then use it in videos, reels, or personal projects. As we can see, this new feature opens lots of usage possibilities: YouTube videos, short films, Instagram reels, storytelling videos, or even your own creative projects. It doesn't end with romantic songs. We can also create a personalized birthday songs by just typing "birthday song for Hilda" in chat box. Bam! Like magic, we have a personalized birthday song.
Yo, this one for the queen. Word up, from the struggle and the grind, now we living it lavish, stacking paper to the ceiling, making moves they can't imagine. Yeah, we run the whole scene, ain't nobody stopping this. We run the whole scene, and that's word to Hilda. Got the champagne pouring, all the real ones keep roaring. Happy birthday, Hilda, your legend's forever blooming. We run the whole scene, ain't nobody stopping this. We run the whole scene, and that's word to Hilda. Peace!
And it sounds impressive. In the same way, we can create friendship, birthday, motivational, sad, or emotional songs. Now I want to ask you something. If you could create a personalized AI song, what would you create? Tell me in the comments. Would it be for a friend, lover, or maybe just for fun? I read every comment and I'm curious to see your ideas. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. If you find this tutorial helpful, please support the video. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.